Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify layout. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify layout, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app on file, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on Spotify. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.